Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ban pensuk ye ki pat ba nong shong shnong jo ka maulai them ka Meghalaya Rural Bank ka don ya ka jingtmu ban bo no da ki business correspondent ki ban ya rap an pri ya ka jaka kan show pisa bat ban ya rap ru ha ka sei bat thep pisa ya ka ne ka kam lamat phang do MDC ka maulai u ba tai bor lang pathau bal shem khia hadu ba kan da ur long kumni kumba ka long menta Habakran ha kani kasingi nakaliang uba tay borlang pathaw ulaong ban pensuk ye kinong shong shnong ka MRB kan sabu di ki business correspondent ki ban yarap an pri ka jaka kan show pisa bat ban yarap ru ban thep bat ban sei pisa ula ban rap ru da ka baong baga jingbam don ki jaka kan show pisa maulai them ka kta shibu ni kinong shong shnong ki bahap ban wan shadu maulai maudat baki bat shadu sha maulai pom banit sei ne thep pisa ki bank ki badon ha maulai Komunong mi khman ulalet ban yakran biki officer jong ka bank ban bo ya ka bank sha kani ka than hanrei kamlong ka basuk ban bo na markidon shibun ki jingdon kam de halor kani bana kalyang ka jong UMDC usmau de ban don no daki business correspondent ki ban yarap ki nong shong shnong kani ka than Nakalyang Chief Manager ka Meghalaya Rural Bank Udipak Singha Roy habakran hakani kasngi ulai tho baka MRB ka don kumba khandai photili kitanat habaro ka we ka jilla Meghalaya banapren kini artli kidei ki badan hamaulai ula ongru bau smo tho e ka jing e ka bagi pat ba ki kandu namar banlet sei ne thep pisa she ki jaka ki badan ki bank kan khata shibun namar ka bai shong kali ka rembha ula ongru baki pat ba ki barep kindu sngi tang ban let sei ni thep pisa kani kan khata shibun ya ka yo ka kot ka jongki Nakalyang branch manager ka MRB maudat baki uba aksan kupar sau kami habakran hakani kasngi ula yaro yo ba pathaw ubala shem ya kani kasinjang ula ongru bahap dan kam bandan ka ATM ban thep bat ban sei pisa na kini ki business correspondent Ulong ru baki pat ba ki baron account ha ki bank kila ban sei pisa naki henry tang ka we ka bakim la ban le ka di ban thep pisa tang ki tu ki baron account ha ki MRB kila ban thep bat ban sei henry ki we kin amla ban thep henry ki la pat ban sei pisa
ngai ko bele kam tam mi kini ki representative buat napo ka pang nang pendok Meghalaya Rural Bank idan ni branch manager ibra sujon to my pomolai Stanbos branch Stanbos bantang don i sardipak jungi blok ship manager dengan Meghalaya Rural Bank po head office natang don representative but iba bana po mulai pemberi ya kabay lawan bali ship betalang naka ni kapang Meghalaya Rural Bank berengi dumi ni jengelang berit akan ni kapor mentah hentam iki ngelam senong kalau mengikua ban kumbanglay yo snow na kinangelam senong bat kamtam naki nong song song sun kathan ya jingie ke jongki hagbai dei bat kabang kabalawara ka jingie namar ba dadon kam kanong no jingdan kam bedem kabang haplet shadow spot molai sati spot Peter Pom haplet shadow molai Stanbos dek kata egalet kawan hagbai dei bat ki nong song song sun kathan hadin magajok ko memnisia sama arjar khandai ka lawan ke jingmut arjonga ban lekran nama kidan ki nangilam sinang ki belawan man pesunga ki belawan man kerpat ban penyekran lam lem ya kabang pakan bu e ka branch ka kamajan naga bentak ki nong song jol ni kathan ban pensuk haba kidan kam la ka de thap pisa la sei pisa la ni ban ple bang account ka balakta sisha ban de shadu station po bre molai haba ngali ekran me kinangilam jo kabang ki kisam jinge pan play ke branch na pistutu pakin play ke branch ka bon ke jingdan kam kita kadau kalawan ke jing perkhat pan ne kumno nam ta ban sting ye phi ki nong song song sini katha kumno mikmat amba kan tang ke jikit kri na ka benta ka roi kapa hari kan ke jikit kri ru ban pe ban pensuk ki nong song song la ka de hado ko benta ban haba ngayo banyak kran ki bobon kapakong sandu ya gani kencing don cokapang segini ketan tapi sutu pambanuan ke branch ke orang singe tering sutu apa maka bang no kendok menta kala penkre ane kelas sedang ya gawe naki program lalu ngilap nang ke program cokapang kaba har kitu kicaka sem jenja ban ke branch ya kaba kawara kencingnya kinong sok bakin bagi jangan po ke branch ke bang ke pakidon mentak la introduce tek banking correspondent but siang kin sale ase ke CSP ma CSP kan sentre kam sing ni kathan te ban pensuk ye pi kinong sangsong sing kathan kana ma pi kum kinong ngelam sinong kinyo ban yetu ye kinong sangsong ki jompi ya ka jingdon chakni ki banking correspondent ki bandan hak arni ki sinong ki pangin sabo har ni kathan ban ye kani an sapatai benya dakini i nong mi khmat na ni ban rural bank ang mapi pin hap an sutu bala kadang kan ke jingkili na kalian ke jompi ki salah menjawab. There should be an answer to their question if they have any doubt regarding opening this banking correspondent. Ni sotanak kita kini ngelam bank ki bala patai pi bala siam ngelam po ikini ki banking correspondent hakini ki jaka mo kawe gende ni nang kalau bakuma pitip bakani sian ngen supply kum office ya ka banking nom sok sini kathan kinwan ban ikendu enga hakati ba arati ba sarang don kerta nagpata kinong sok sini kathan ban ikendu pasngap ya kecing ya joki nok sok kathan teka bakong santu menta kabang akwa ban wanra ikini ka banking correspondent ni ka dong kathan kijungi kalau bat besuk ipi merteng man sai pisah hendak update semua kelakta kali kawan henry nakadi kecakai hasil tu pi kan besuk ipi nomor pindah kam su laga pindah kam man ni thak pisaru pinap thak pagi kecakai kini ba bang ka sejie makin long di banking correspondent kinsa lepat penbiang ini tekam joki siapa ke branch. Kumano mikma kadang keklik nampak kan wanum tiang wanum sutu bakla andre ngani tuipi ngang ada dan dia bagan de badan nadia ban kersyam ya kami kelar bang bagan de kata pentah.
About the Meghalaya Rural Bank, because most of you might have an account in Meghalaya Rural Bank. And Meghalaya Rural Bank came in existence in 29th of December 1981. After that, we have 90 branches all over Meghalaya. And in Moulai, we have 2 branches. First, we are having 1 branch. Maybe some senior people might have remembered. I was the branch manager here in the Moulai branch in the year 1990. That is means 32 years back. For 4 months, I was the branch manager. That time it was there. At present, Mount Pakki branch there only. That's why it is again my old relation coming back to this locality after 32 years. And here what we came to know, these people from here who are having a very tough time to go through, especially drawing your wages and all what you are getting from Manrega and old age pension, or if you can say this Indira Awas Yojana and all these Prime Minister housing schemes and all, because if you go from here either to our Maudalpaki or most of you are having an account in our petrol pump, that our Moulai branch. They have to spend, number 1, their taxi fare. I think it is taking minimum 100 rupees nowadays after the COVID situations. Again you have to come back another 100 rupees, 200 rupees gone. Again whole day you have to stand in a queue. And you are, not only that, you are losing your 1 day wages. That means it is a huge loss for all the villagers in this locality. So we are coming out with a unique idea with the government, that opening of the business correspondent point, BC point we are calling, business correspondent agents are we are recruiting. From our bank, what we have done an MOU with government of Meghalaya. It was done last year with the finance ministry. And it was the witness of the chief minister, honorable chief ministers and our chairman. They were the signing of that MOU. After that, we are recruiting nearly 600 plus BC points for all over Meghalaya to cover all the villages of Meghalaya. Because people from here, we want to give the banking at the doorstep. Doorstep means in the door. Suppose here the people, otherwise what I just now was selling, they have to spend nearly 1,000 rupees going there, and their wages maybe it is coming 1,200 rupees. End of the day they were coming in, going whole day spending at 300. Then here what is happening, we are giving the BC point in the village. We have signed corporate BC with 3 of the agencies, Meghalaya Rural Bank. One is Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, MSRLS, you might have heard. Number 2, we have the CSC e-governance, customer service center e-governance. Somewhere you might have seen that Rainbow and all is there, and we have signed another agreement with Hajarika Constructions. They are from Fulbari. Their headquarters it is in Fulbari in Garo Hills. So they were doing, three parties is doing our BC points all over Meghalaya, because there are, I think you might have known, there are 6,328 villages in Meghalaya, and it is covering for 6,000 branches. It is not viable. So we are coming with an idea with the BC point, business correspondent point. Then what they will do, only the customers, they should have a bank account. Suppose here what I came to know from sir also, most of the having an account with Meghalaya Rural Bank. You don't have account in the Meghalaya Rural Bank. Maybe you are having, let me take State Bank, second largest bank in Meghalaya, second is Meghalaya Rural Bank, third let me take Apex Bank, or any bank. And nowadays after merger, I think fourth biggest bank in Meghalaya it is coming Punjab National Bank because of the merger. Then suppose you are having an account, let me take in State Bank. Then you have to go here again to petrol pump nearest. What will happen in the BC point? They will come with a machine. That machine it is linked along with the server. Maybe you have an account in our Madhurpaki branch. Maybe you are having in our Mumbai petrol pump. Maybe you have your account in nearest is Koilumbo or anywhere. You can draw money up to 10,000 rupees per day. With the BC, they will come along with the machine, micro ATM it is called. Otherwise, if there is slide, I could have shown it also that what is micro ATM. Some of you might have seen it. It is just like a POS machine, which is you are going for purchasing anything from the shop or in the petrol pump. You will see when you purchase the petrol, somebody is to pay it by card. Only thing, all the people, you should have applied your ATM card. How many of you are having ATM card? Borrow. Handle the lasai pile apply no lasai Sunday license pile apply no. Well, if you don't apply this ATM card, you cannot do the transactions. And for Meghalaya Rural Bank customer, with that machine you can deposit. Not that suppose they were coming and sitting just now, sir is telling we are interested to give, suppose a BC point, yeah, BC is coming, suppose once in a week. Suppose let us take it, he is coming on every Wednesday with a convenient with the headman and all. No? Wednesday, suppose 10 to 12, he is coming or she is coming and sitting here. So what will happen, the 10 to 12, anytime they can come. If it wants to withdraw, any bank card they can withdraw. If they want to deposit, only MRB card, but they need a card, not that. Otherwise, what will happen if you just give, somebody is taking it, writing a receipt to you. They are not giving you any receipt. Maybe you are giving me, trusting me 20 people. Maybe on the way I am going, maybe one is falling down from my bed. I will go and giving to the branch manager, how many? 19 numbers. There is a chance of misplace of the amount. But when this machine is there, with the machine immediately you will get receipt and you will get in your mobile, SMS also you will get this 1,000 rupees deposited or withdraw immediately on the spot. There is a no chance of misutilize of the fund. So for that, we are coming here that for this BC point, you have to understand this is not like that bank is just coming, but whatever the transaction is done, it will be immediately reflected in the bank here. And for that, we have signed MOU with 3 government agencies.
Yeah, we lost bank definitely. One police here, we have to dia ni tai down sini ke ATM kemudian ni tai down iba ke unit ngai yang baik kali ni head office kemudian dia ke bank ni kami orang mai ibat menteri ke bank kami ke kam ke so baru kam ke jaka baru kam ke manpower baru kam ke assets ke pun ni penting kam dia na bank daerah ba ban ai ke bank bet kalau menyerap ke CSP customer service point bang ke jaka ke berap is customer kemudian kalau cuma barang ni area ni sanction barang ni kat ni sungai kim nak kam tu orang syuruk istri betulasa baik kali jual di area ya kata apa ni ada agreement begini di harga agensi kini simti gini banseng kata CSP mengi kita yang kerja ni seng ini buat visa ke senong baru senong pihak dia pet kata CSP kata rekam sisa rekam sisa dan yang juga kebanganak menyerap apa kalau orang dari CSP yang juga ada pinong company account pinong company keru naiwan tu bank once submit the documents ni kin verify di CSP yang marah bank ni account mina bank boleh hanok ni ID yang tu account passbook ini pun submit visa partner di CSP kita kau yang menyerap pemut kibril kikna kikulung kim nongkam cu marah bank di account kit perut kali baik kasi por bisa menurut bank nanti account kena prepare kini baru kalau kalau ini ikipai bar penjualan biji kini ATM mana ATM lada ke ATM ni menjual tidur kiway ke ATM ni ada tiuturan di ki begini wanci tiga bayar mau na bank na branch jangan kalau ngalak benar ngolong ai ke ATM form sign ha penyedai ke sign kini ni kini ni ki mau orang ini branch nak isu ATM yang jangan nak buka program hang ni bahkan program mana ada list jadi itu berberi buka ATM ada isu lupa na branch akhirnya orang senang dan seterusnya semua penting senang dan miat kini diberi kepada apply ATM ke bank program saya semua kawan sini maka ATM ni mana untuk aktif jenuh dia sebenarnya kamu kelai baik ya so kalau kita ada CSP kepisah kiwan habit hang ni biar kepisah kena saya nak ada ATM aktif kini Mendadon even keren kita digimin bahwa semua kiba nganaknya apa yang jangan ke CSP kan kan ni belak sekti ni mana di temu backbone you kan ya rap bantu lara video account ha modern baki ni video account pom ni video account free ni video iru ini gila be nomor dari juga roll back kami nomor kita kiba masih bisa diprogram itu ya kalau tahu mah
Andrei kan maka dia kan long kasi kabanang li sekmat indio akan sedang di kita grup terikam kibagi lihat hang lihat kuah ibarat si kata man kampen sup yang ginong sinong hakan kawan haji kita ibat kabang dan di grup menyesai menyesai pisah haji sisa ngimpoi perkhat kalau sisa kabae than menye perkhat sepang kata kadai gici sisa ginong sinong sene nasui habi orang berada sebenarnya lari gilet nang di seselong ihap menurut si spa tengah balik si spa tengah wan balar raja bagi biok pisah apa itu bat kalak tak bat kapur tak bat pisah tak nadong sedong dan rega kalang kepala wanra akan digesengi akan digejimut di perkan lembah juga di program let's see akan digesengi hidam tak disukmen bat ngan kaburu ya ketiga kawin kebentang bahkan ni ke program kan nungkut tak dapatkan urlong sisiano mar kisungtu kalau irap hadu kata-kata telesi dak di sedang jaga di program nakalong hakat di hukum dari suki la lagi dok sidong jungi kila sungtu ya kata kecing ya kata kecing koridor jaga di terikam lembah juga di program desi lem artatir bahaku wigesi la haku wigepor maka we pas ke peran sini dengan bangkan don hani kadang-kadang kita sedang nah terakhir kita sedang bantu suatu baru teman-teman aku kalau kita lagi dosik sedang baru ilan don nak jadi kamu kabadon kami kabadon kau ingalong bakin kita baru sam sedang kibah sampai apa juga dengan sejuk dengan samdor bar sedang bagi don jangan diga lande kan diga kabagi orang kisi spasi kadang sisa kalong kabadon kama tengah tim lesi kita perkhat mulai ketika tim perjok juga lagi dijawabkan honda baru lembah juga di program kita rekam no kadia rap sibur halah jauh sedang begini jawaban saya bisa dan mar kata kadia kalau ke program kemudian kamha tinggi ngidap tak jadi kemakram bat ku chairman ku presiden juga dengan senjo banyo sngom ya kadi program ke hukum kani kawan raru ya katakan ku perkhat ke batma kabangin nulong sio kita gibri ban mat ke jige naman ngiem ha kadi pertai klub ke pisang ngim la aman ni ngiem rengkat amal lagi minit mi na yeng na hadukan don kam sipo arpo tengka mat mamkuai namta kata kay kipsa kulong man lagi minit man lagi kita bat kumta kade rap sibon nang baju gini bang kibal perkhan banwana ya kade ke program nang kata gini sinong kijungi de ha kade ke por de nakaliang jukum presiden jok kade senjuk ngamton sibon mat keren Andrei ngapen pau ya kade sukumen ke bakra badenge skam menang kade program bo MDC jungi ilang warna bat kadi kan long jing sta bat ngem arta tian bat urlong bat bakan salong ni isen da jing tre sitong jugir ka bat kini ku visa di hakade ke por na ai tak jing sugu ka bakrau bat ba kani ke jing penbek lan ke jing keren hakade ke segi kan warna sisya ya kata ke jing sok ya ginong sinong bat mangi ku ginong yalam sinong nang de ginjo kan ra ro ikubor sinong kita gitu Basien an sapatrikam ya kade kerkom tem pisa sei pisa hagidong kedong banum da kuslai han kade sor silong namar kakta ya kayo kot jong nong syok sinong
nongelam sinong gijopi kin seperta kisinong banyathu bai kene ka BC sedang kene kisinong gijopi basukiski gin sepene ka syakani ka CSP common service point barhani ke caka hai inbu ekta khana maksud ipi kinongelam sinong kinong syok syok dikatan but Ki kijindan kam ke jompi lada dan kam nakalian ke bank margi kin sawan berobor pada kendu bapi amtang nakapta kita kijindan kam ke ba pi napta ke bedi ke bank re what scheme ke bakani ke bank a sepi kin nongrak khamtam ma ninyo pani pleu jumut ba nama ka sarkar mta kan pensilur susu khamtam ye kin nongrak ki jongi naga benta pan tiptiu ya garap keren kam megalar bang nadu sedang kami kenang naga kata banyaram Yaki padba ke besong sekitan nongkondok.
Dia minta seniwan program ni ha sinong nong kolo kani kan la simti hari ba tebor pathau yang bisi ni kan di lawan mi branch bank ni ong ba ikwa ka bank ang area ka head office ong ban seng ka bank te kampat sa sumna kan sedang sudah kata ka CSP hangta kin don ki business correspondent kita ki business correspondent ndai bi ki way na ki dalung kin ong tre jong ka bank kawate hapo jong kanika agency bla te hazarika agency bla te agreement ka bank jong ni begini business correspondent la ala pun trai lu baro i kampung ki pan verify ki dokumen dan pi account dia kinda ada verify maki kin ora ki form sa bank dengan pi account ni deka passbook in IFT jong ki kin wana sinong kita pen pai maki par hi customer ki individual customer dan kata ki customer kin apply ATM lingba kini ki BC correspondent tengi pan isuan pelong program yang hasinong isuan submit is ATM keti jongki individuals bagi private mak ATM gimna na highway dan orang kata pan kinyo ada kini ki BC kinyo ka machine POS machine makhat ma mutu bisto na petrol pump itu baru kan tegi bring lingba ka tu lingba ki ATM jong kila ban sai bisa la ban thai bisa umla pelat expo aja dia ban thai bisa mantap sekali ATM jong SBI duk mentah kalong ke jong MRB kalong
kumbakan no try gini ki breu pat ki ba la play kata ka account hagi caka kan show bisa kila ban tap bisa ban save bisa
oh jibri ba play account nang ni lada ki pa ban save bisa lan ni tap bisa ling ba kan ni BC kila ban save ba aku aja maximum dai ru kumju ya aku aja maximum
yo ba kidon kono ga jing tiang pat mo bakin Shuai hakti jong kita ki business correspondent teka ibu ki pensai si pada
don ka agreement bat ka MRB jika numdan mata ka jingjia lada don mata ka jingjia ru pila ban one for watch ka branch jongi ka branch update passbook hang tu kan power ada don bat bisa kan power passbook update ada don masih bisa kan power passbook update dan kata aman bat bisa pinyo itu receipt
Hadu kan no kami kan yarap hai ki bris no kan
chanong kan telah yarap ha pinga nomor nang ni sia moda baki pilet tang bai kali kala abun le sia da don jinjar nun habang le sia kam don network na people islam dala khang gabang ka jinjar pi le sia singi cuti ka bangga khang CSP kan pli
kami kawan baik na ka inisiatif jong hi jong ka bang na jong no
kani menta ite agreement ka bang ban ka hazarka agency
em long một pinstang ya kani long kadai hi ka initiative jong ka bang na
kani jing stang kani ling ba ka bank
pina banta kani ka
decision ni support kan nang kalau ini kita belum nang kendong mulai dulu lalu kan sempur ban sedang pat
kat kum bajing ai tien mana hang tu program ti kila pin bet hau bulan Julai kan sedang dok hau bulan Julai lai pin bet BMDC dia bagi chief manager jaga bank ni ba di pak bulan Julai musko
nolor kan ka ban ong ban withdrawal ni ban deposit jak pisah ki pat hiji mentoy ning bagan ni ka
sila ban transfer tu kila ban beli account tu mong ah kelas sub sibuk tahi
ini bentar ini dah kam nang kendong dibun nang dah ki hiji mentoy kai ning bagan ni ka bisi banking
iki nong rap ti kata iban sai bisa ka habiat manang ni larang ki ku akran ki wiki kini ki bisi ki num dat tip has ka bank in hawan mi ha branch ara ka personal jungki
ya kene pila le sikwe di thainong kendong
la don kan ka hadar ka agency ka pet bisa Fulbari Sagaro Hills first time garang pet hani insyaallah